Running an association can be tough. Between retaining members and finding new revenue sources, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But there's a solution that can help with both. Introducing SmartJobBoard, a job board solution designed specifically for associations. It is so easy to use and enjoyable that your members will love coming back to use it again and again. With SmartJobBoard, your association can benefit in several ways. Increase member engagement by providing a powerful career resource for your members. Create new revenue by offering paid job postings on a job board. Generate more traffic and attract new members by having a job board on your association's website. This can also increase visibility and exposure for your organization. And all this with minimal involvement from your association staff. Our team will handle all aspects of the job board for you, from design implementation to maintenance and marketing. Our process is simple. Our team creates an easy-to-use branded job board for your association website. Corporate members or partners can post jobs using an intuitive interface, and professional members can search and apply for jobs using a simple search tool. Your association can generate non-dues revenue from paid job postings. Your team can easily review results in a simple dashboard. You'll be able to see everything you need to know about the job board performance in one place. Don't just take our word for it. Schedule a demo with us, and we'll show you exactly how SmartJobBoard can help your association thrive. We can't wait to chat with you and answer any questions you may have.